Hello and welcome to the Hoffinson channel. I'm Alex, I am running the Hoffinson channel, and this is the video about my grandfather's tools. Today we're going to be de-rusting a bunch of the tools that were just disgusting. So in here I've used, where's that vinegar? Here it is. Something else. I used this vinegar, can you see that? Let me flip the screen around so I can see what I'm filming. There we go. Okay, so this is 30, ooh, you're not going to be able to see that, but it's 32% vinegar for cleaning plumbing and that sort of thing, just white vinegar. I live in Denmark, so it's called, I'm not going to pronounce it. And in here we've got the drill press. The tissue here is just to soak up a bit of vinegar so it would clean the shaft a bit. There's some clamps in there, some a hand plane, some chisels, a couple of wrenches and Allen keys, basically anything that was rusty, and they've been in there for about an hour now, and I'm going to leave them another hour, and then I will show you the cleaning process, I guess. But basically that's that vinegar, so 1 litre of vinegar to 2 litres of water approximately, maybe a little more water because 32% is quite a high concentration. It smells a bit in here, probably should wear a mask, but I got the window open so there's plenty of air flowing through, and I keep this door closed to the rest of the house, so yeah. So it's been another hour since I last showed you what was going on. I've nicked a pair of the girlfriend's marigolds. They are incredibly tight and I think I'm losing circulation, and they make weird sounds when I close my hands. So yeah, not ideal, but high concentration vinegar plus rust equals dry skin, cracked hands, metal poisoning, who knows, just whatever. So, gotta pull my sleeves up a bit though, so hopefully not get it. So the first thing we're going to take out, I'm going to move this cloth that was covering this, and we're going to, Jesus Christ, okay, so, oh wow, that's done a really good job. So, unfortunately you don't get to see it before and after, but here you can see the thing, and it is very heavy obviously, but this was filled with rust, like absolutely chock-a-block, and now it is not so. This is just a scrubbing brush for your nails, or a cheap one just to do this with. I would have preferred a wire brush, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So I'm going to give this a quick scrub and see what it's done. Alright, so I've given that a quick scrub, as you see, and just removed a little bit more rust from it, but I think most of the rust just dropped off in the box. I think this needs a wash, to be honest, but I think I'll just do all the tools at once. So I'm going to get out the hand plane and the wrench and all this sort of thing. So these two C clamps or G clamps, can't remember which ones they are, and I think they're G clamps, but whatever they are, they're the adjustable clamps that you have. These were very rusty. The mechanisms here were very difficult to twist, and now they just glide real easy, and then when I get some oil in that at some point, that'll work great. These slide really easy, obviously not when they're going to be tightened, but now, before they were really difficult, so those two have worked. Let's have a look what else we've got. So this is a metal hand plane, if you didn't know. I'm not sure whether the acid has affected the wooden parts. I would assume it probably has, but I think the wood had a varnish on it, so it should be okay. If not, I'll re-varnish them and re-protect them. But it's gotten rid of a lot of the rust. You can see as I wipe that off with just my thumb. But I'm obviously going to take some sandpaper to this, maybe not too much on the bottom because I don't want to ruin the flat base, but this is working good so far. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the gloves off, and I'm going to dispose of the vinegar and then we're going to give these a wash because there's a lot of just residue on there which isn't like necessarily actually attached anymore. So yeah, that's that. So I've just put the camera outside the bathroom. You can sort of see the door frames here. And the good thing about Danish and European bathrooms is they have this sort of wet room situation. So I can get as much mess as I want and I can always clean it down later. So I'm going to put it on a mild heat because I don't want to create too many fumes from whatever vinegar's left over. This will probably be a bit loud, so I'll probably just fast forward. So, rinse those off. Didn't take much. Put the shower head back. The smell is basically gone now, which is good because it means when the girlfriend comes home I won't get all those sort of complaints. I'm now gonna see if I can find a cheap towel because we bought some cruddy Chinese towels that just sort of fall apart on you. I'm gonna dry all of these off and yeah, we'll come back. Okay, so I've dried them off now, and well, relatively, and I've decided I'm not going to bother like polishing every single thing because not everything needs cleaning. It's just this drill press that I really wanted. There is a screw in the back here that was rusted absolutely tight. So we're going to see if I have the correct Allen key. Yeah, and see if it will move now. Oh, no, it doesn't look like it's going to move still. So I'll probably have to get some grease or something else in there. No, that ain't going anywhere. If I'm twisting the right way, yeah, lefty-loosey. So, yeah. But I've got some 80 grit sandpaper and I'm gonna go all over this thing, sanding various bits of it. So barely 8 minutes of sanding and I'm already seeing a vast improvement on what it was before. So I'm going to take this and give it a wash. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do on this. All the other tools might need scrubbing. I may or may not do them. I think I will, just to make sure they don't rust again instantly, which would be a pain in the ass. But I'm just going to assemble this. I need to find the right Allen key and we'll get assembling that. I think it's this one. Yep, okay. So this piece goes on the top. So there we go, that was the first project, and I hope this wasn't too long a video, and I hope you subscribe and watch more because there's going to be lots more things about these tools, and yeah, thank you for watching.